Let's see how to write on iPad with Apple Pencil. In the first step, tap on Settings. Next, select Bluetooth. Now, switch Bluetooth to on. In the next step, tap on Settings. Later, select Bluetooth. Next, tap Apple Pencil from the list. In the next step, launch Notes app. Later, tap on the Create Note icon. After that, begin writing with Apple Pencil. In the next step, launch a drawing app. Later, tap on the Create Project icon. Later, start sketching with Apple Pencil. In the next step, tap on Settings. After that, select Apple Pencil. Then switch Scribble to on. You are good to go.